Are you looking for one on how to use the application Shazam on your Android device or on your iOS device? Then this video is for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. Let's say you are out somewhere at a noisy place and when a really cool song comes along but you have never heard it before and you don't know the name of song or the artist of the song. Well, this application which is gonna help you out to find the song. So let's see how to use this application. First of all, make sure you have downloaded this application on your device. You can easily get this application from App Store or Play Store. Now open up this application. You will be landing on this page. This application is very easy to use so far detecting application. So what you need to do is click on this icon. It will start to analyze and detect a song that's playing around you. Well, after a while it will show you the exact song that has been playing around you. After you are done, go back to the library and you will see list of songs that has been detected by Shazam. So in this way you can use Shazam application. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.